Hello, teachers. I wanted to just do a quick video to go over those guidelines for reporting on above or below grade level expectations as we're coming up on the end of Q2. So when we're reporting reading levels, this is all in the grading and reporting document guide that's also linked into the literacy updates this week. We have to assign everyone either on, above, or below grade level. I do want to make sure that we know that caveat. It's not appropriate to mark kindergarten students below grade level for the first 2 marking periods. So again, in kindergarten, we would not be marking anybody below at this time. Okay, so I know that might feel uncomfortable, but that is the guidance. Teachers in grades K and 1, looking at overall data. We can use our DIBELS data. Accuracy if we are utilizing decodable text in the classroom, demonstrating proficiency with the foundational skills taught in really great reading. And that doesn't necessarily mean that they're utilizing them on DIBELS, but are they being successful within your lessons within the classroom? Demonstrated proficiency with language comprehension, because it's not just about the letter names and the sounds and words. Are they proficient with language comprehension in response to grade level text read aloud to them? So that is still a part of this, especially in K1. And of course, your benchmark assessments, if you're utilizing those during your units. All of that data is utilized in looking and deciding on above or below. Teachers in grades 2 during semester 1, we're still in semester 1, their DIBELS, accuracy with decodable text, that can be your RGR text, demonstrated proficiency with foundational skills, demonstrate proficiency with language comprehension, with text read aloud, yes, for Q2, they can still have the text read aloud with them, and benchmark assessments. In grades 3 to 5, we're going to use our MAPR, demonstration with foundational skills, accuracy within the Lexile band. If you need those, let me know, but they're also in the document. Demonstrated proficiency of reading comprehension in text within the grade level Lexile band, read independently. So that's the change, really, for 3 to 5, read independently. And of course, their benchmark assessments, because all the benchmark assessments do have a Lexile range. They are within the grade level band in the Lexile range. So if they're reading those benchmark assessments and doing well, they're reading on grade level. Okay, that can be a component to deciding if they're reading on grade level. In grades K to 1 and grade 2 semester 1, again, grade 2, we're still in semester 1. Let's just look at on. Student reads and comprehends decodable text within the grade level scope and sequence of foundational skills with at least 95% accuracy. The student comprehends text read aloud and responds to text demonstrating command of content, vocabulary, and critical thinking. The student receives small group instruction to provide support, instruction, and enrichment with text as needed. Okay, so utilizing all of that data stated above, can they read a decodable text with 95% accuracy? The student comprehends complex text read aloud. Again, you still have that read aloud component this quarter. Okay, if a student is reading on above or below, on or above grade level, I've been pulling teachers' attention back to the student response book for benchmark. All of those have a Lexile range. They are located in your TRS, and kind of been drawing your attention to those. If the students are reading those and understanding them with little to no issue, check out the Lexiles on them. Some of them are written well outside of the grade level band, and that can help you make that determination maybe for above, or if they're utilizing a novel within class. Please let me know if you need help digging through this data to make that determination. I know it becomes a little bit nerve-wracking. That's why I really wanted to pull your attention back to all of the data points that we should be utilizing. There's lots and lots of data. We're not just banking their on, above, or below grade level status on DIBELS, just like we didn't just base it on MClass. So please make sure we're looking at that body of evidence to determine on, above, or below grade level in reading. Please let me know if you have questions. The grading and reporting document is linked in the literacy update. Have a great day.